If you want to manage app permissions on Realme 14T, you have two main ways to do so. First of all, we can go to settings, and over here you can go, for example, to apps in order to go to app management, and then over here you can select the app for which you want to manage permissions. So let's say I'm going to choose the Chrome browser, and over here we have permissions. And here we have the list of permissions that are allowed and not allowed for the specific app. So we can choose the permission and then, for example, grant the permission over here, or the other way around, just remove the permission, of course, as well. In these settings, you can also go to security and privacy, and then over here scroll down and choose privacy controls, and then we can go to permission manager. And we can do this from this side. So first we need to select the permission, and then we can choose apps. So for example, if I want to grant permission, let's say the location permission for certain apps, then I can go to location over here, and then I can see the list of apps that are allowed to use location all the time, only while in use, and apps that are not allowed. So we can select any of these in order to, for example, grant the permission. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.